So if you want to connect any soundbar to your Hisense Fire TV, what we're going to show you is how to set it up using HDMI ARC and an optical cable or toslink, both. So for that, let's connect one end of our HDMI to the HDMI port of a soundbar, usually labeled right above the port, and insert the other end of the HDMI cable into the back of your TV. Now here, you're going to make sure to plug it into the ARC or eARC port, otherwise it won't work. Now after that, we're going to just plug the power cable to your soundbar and connect the other end to a working power source. And next, what I need to do is just turn on your soundbar. Since we're talking about the HDMI connection first, with this connection, you won't need any additional steps. It should automatically connect your TV right away. And apart from that, you can use the TV remote to turn the sound up and down, along with the soundbar's own remote. And without tweaking any settings, you can just start playing music right away. Now, let's talk about the toslink or optical cable connection. For that, grab your optical cable, connect one end to the optical in port on your soundbar, then connect the other end to the optical port on your Fire TV. Depending on whichever model you're using, it's usually located near the USB port, so it's easier to find. Now, with an optical connection, you'll first need to set it up. So on your Hisense Fire TV, let's navigate to the settings section. From there, scroll through the equipment control and select Add Equipment. Now from here, you can select soundbar and also configure your TV remote to control the soundbar volume by following this rest of the process. Now wait a couple seconds while the TV initiates the process. It'll give you a list with the compatible soundbar brands. Just choose your soundbar brand from here. In our case, it's Bose. Now as you can see, a prompt will appear saying that it'll play music in the next step. So make sure your soundbar volume is turned up. Press Next. Now, to establish a connection between your soundbar and the remote, just press the power button on the remote to turn off your soundbar, just to check if it can detect your remote or not. Just wait around 10 seconds and then turn it back on using the remote. Now here's the thing, if it doesn't work the first time, you have an option to press no, it didn't work, and then just go ahead and repeat the whole process. In our case, it worked the second time. Now you have 3 tries, one after another, that you can go for. Now when it starts working, just press yes, which means it's working and the TV remote can now operate the soundbar. Now as prompted, press the volume up and volume down button on the remote, TV remote actually, and check if they can control the soundbar volume or not. If it changed the volume, press yes, then press OK. You'll be redirected to the equipment control section. Now, if you re-enter the soundbar option, you'll see multiple settings you can customize from here, including volume increment mode and slab, the power control settings, and more. And after that, you're basically set. Your soundbar is now connected to your Fire TV, and you can control the soundbar volume using the TV's built-in remote as well. And these are the 2 ways you can connect any soundbar to your Hisense Fire TV. Let us know in the comment section how it went. Thanks for your time.